Anyways guys, welcome back for a new video. Good morning, thank you guys for tuning back in. It is pretty bright and early, so I'm trying to get this taken care of before the sun gets on me, because you guys know I have no garage to finish this up. But we are going to be talking about the BMW today, and I'm sorry guys if this is a turn off for some of you guys who are here for the Mustang content, but I wanted to bring you guys along that way y'all can see the transformation that this vehicle is going to go through. And although it's going to be nothing crazy, but there are a few minor details that we are going to take care of. On my last video I did mention we were going to be swapping out this grille, the mirror covers, and the vent, and soon to be being installed soon a spoiler and a front splitter once we get this fixed up. But the whole idea guys is just to show you what a few small minor details can do to a vehicle. And honestly I have no idea why BMW added these like gray metallic accents. The black ones actually come stock in the M competition model. We have the M Sport, the M40i, so there's a model above this one and it has the black accents all across instead of these metallic gray ones. But I do prefer the black ones, so we're gonna go ahead and just show you guys. Maybe we'll get the roof wrapped before we get the vehicle wrapped, but I mean that's in the future. So we're gonna go ahead and install those. I have no idea what I'm doing guys in the BMW world. It's the first time I work on it and it is actually kind of sketchy, and I'm kind of freaked out a bit because I am gonna have to remove this mirror cover, this mirror right here, and then I'm gonna have to access the clips, which shouldn't be the hard part. The hard part is just making sure I don't break this glass. Once that one's out, I can go ahead and just pop the new one in. And as easy as it sounds, I'm just scared that I don't break this glass because it's gonna be a pricey part to get back in there. Here we have guys the new mirror covers. Packaging pretty good, check it out. Boom, check that out. Just gloss black. I could have gone with the carbon fiber, but I didn't want to make it too cheesy, so I went ahead and just got these gloss black ones instead. And they're actually pretty cool because they do have like that like trim right there, which makes it look pretty cool. It gives it a different look to it compared to the stock one. So I mean, side by side comparison, look at that, it's gonna make a big difference. The only thing I'm worried about, but there shouldn't be an issue, is this right here. Hopefully it doesn't rub when I lock the vehicle and these turn inside. Looks pretty cool. I really like this right here. Looks really nice. Let's go ahead and get started. You do need a plastic prying tool, so I really just gotta lift it up from the bottom. Okay, I think that's the hardest part, was just getting that removed. Yep, that's the hardest part, was just getting this thing loosened up right here. And the next step is to get these brackets. And I already broke a clip, but all right, we got it off guys. I think I was just being a little too light with it because I'm scared I was gonna break it, but as you can see, it is finally off. And I think I broke a clip somewhere around here. I don't know where it's at. I mean, I broke a clip, but I don't know where it's from. I'd rather it be from here than from the actual cover, but it's off. Let's go ahead and install the new one on there. All right, so the easy part, again, you have all these clips that you just literally pop into place and you're good to go. So just make sure it's aligned. All right, this ain't gonna fit. I got the right model and it doesn't fit. Made sure to check out. Damn it. All right, so as you can see guys, I mean, from here it looks like it fit, like it's good. This is how it should have looked like, right? Looks pretty cool, I'm not gonna lie, but look at this, it just won't pop in. And the part where it's right here, let me see, I can focus real quick. Right here, it just won't pop in. There's a little section there that's just rubbing, and I don't want to like force it and break it either, but no, it's not gonna fit. Well, there you go guys, first L of the BMW. It just wasn't the right fit. It wasn't. I double checked everything before I ordered and they weren't just the right fit. So what happens is it's this groove right here that's just not fitting. It's irregular compared to the trim on that side, so it just won't go in because this hits with the trim and it just won't pop into place completely. The clips are proper, it's just the way this is formed, it's not gonna go in. So I need to double check. Maybe they sent me the wrong one, but I did double check before ordering everything. I had to check that it was gonna fit in X4 M40i. It's frustrating, guys, but anyways, guys, there's the first L with the BMW. Trying to mod it, but that's gonna wrap it up, guys. I'm sorry about that. I just wanted to bring more content, but I took an L. That one didn't come out as I thought it would, but I'll catch you guys on the next one. God bless.